Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm an influencer and social media manager. I was born in Brazil, grew up in Germany and was adopted by a German family, and I live in London now. My hair type, it's a bit difficult. It used to be super curly when I was younger, and then it has grown a bit more like straight, more like European. I would say it's curly, but wavy. I have like a few staples where I think, oh, I need a good hair day tomorrow, so I use these products. My go-to hair products are normal shampoo, conditioner every time I wash it, and then I use a hair mask once a week. I use the Love Beauty and Planet hair mask, one with coconut oil. Oh, it smells so good. So I really love the hair mask because it's not as heavy on my hair as usual hair mask, because my hair I have a lot of hair, but it's quite thin. So this hair mask is, first of all, it smells really good. But yeah, it's not as heavy on my hair. After drying my hair, I use a mousse. I really love the TRESemmé Botanique mousse. And it defines my hair, it hydrates my hair because of the coconut in the mousse. Just makes it shiny. I remember growing up, I always hated my mom touching my hair because it was so curly and it was so hard to like go through my hair. I remember once I had like a clip in my hair and I couldn't get it out, and I don't, for some reason, I think my mom was at work, and then I just cut it out. I think my parents always, or my mom always struggled with my hair because she didn't really know what to do with the curly hair. She always did like a half up, half down, I remember, which was easy, but combing my hair, it was a nightmare. I always hated it. I grew up in a small town and there were like no foreigners and stuff, and my brother and I, we were basically the only foreigners. And everyone's hair was straight and mostly blonde hair, and I always felt like I was standing out. Now I see it in a good way. Back then I was just thinking, oh, why is my hair not like that? It's a journey. You learn forever, I think, because your hair changes with the years as well. But at the moment, I feel like I'm in a really good place with my hair because I discovered new products which work for my hair very well. My hair is getting thicker again. I tried different hairstyles, and yeah, I think I'm in a really good place with my hair. My hair makes me feel more like I'm Brazilian. It's not like I have kinky curly hair or an afro or anything. Yeah, it's like typical Brazilian hair. When I went to Brazil, I saw everyone with like the same hair type. Always make sure your hair is hydrated because it can get frizzy and stuff, especially when you're in the sun, when you're on holiday. To keep your hair hydrated, use a mask like once a week. The Love Beauty and Planet one is really good. That's my go-to. Oh, I have another tip. Sleep on like a satin pillow or use like a satin scarf to protect your hair at night, because you're in bed and it's like your hairs will be all over the place. Even if you like put your hair up, it still affects, you don't understand, like it will affect your hair, trust me. Now you've heard my hair story, I'm gonna show you my current favorite hairstyle now and like how I style it, how I wear it, and yeah. Thanks for listening to my hair story. I hope I inspired you, and remember, your hair is your best friend, so look after it. For more hair stories like mine, just subscribe to All Things Hair and you'll see a little more.